There is more water where, guys? No. In the solution. Circle this number. So I say there is more water outside the cell. Then I go ahead and circle it. Check. I'm done with step 1. Step 2 says, say where there is less water, put a square. So Alex, what would you do?
Put a square around water inside of the cell.
Okay. And I'll just use red just to change it up. So there is 85% water in the cell. There's less water in the cell. Okay. Did those 2 things. Number 3 says, say which way the water is going to flow. Which way do you think it's going to go? You go from high to low water. It's going to go in, right? 90% is high, 80% is low. So water is going to flow into the cell because it goes, it says, all right, so there's the first part. Why does water flow this way? It always goes from high to low, right? Always goes from high to low. Did I draw my arrows? Yes, I did. Okay, so there's my arrow. All right, step 4 says, say what will happen to the cell. Water is going to go in. What's going to happen to our cell? Yeah, it's going to expand. So I would say, all right, my cell is going to expand in size. Check. Number 5 says, what kind of solution did we place it in? Hypo, right? Remember, it expanded like a hippo, so this must be a hypotonic solution. Yes, like a balloon. All right, I did number 5. And number 6 says, say if this shows diffusion or osmosis and why. So what's going across the membrane? What's flowing? Water. So what do we call it when water does the diffusion? Yeah. So right, I would say this is osmosis because water is diffusing, right? That's what's spreading out. That's what's moving. Is my water. Okay? So I would click, okay, so I would click on Save Me.